MCQs of gene cloning. MCQs number 1. Gene cloning is a process where gene is cloned in an animal. Fragments of DNA are transferred from one organism to another organism, usually carried on DNA vector. Fragments of DNA cloned in same organism using carrier. DNA is cloned in plants. The correct option is option C. Fragment of DNA cloned in same organisms using carrier. MCQs number 2. Enzyme that cleave nucleic acid within the polynucleotide chain is known as hexanuclease, sulfate, endonuclease, phosphotriesterase. The correct option is option C. Endonuclease. MCQs number 3. A single strand of nucleic acid tagged with radioactive molecule is called vector, selectable marker, plasmid, probe. The correct option is option D. Probe. MCQs number 4. For transformation, microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded with gene gun are made up of silver and platinum or zinc, gold or tungsten. None of these. The correct option is option C. The gene gun is made of gold or tungsten. MCQs number 5. The usual source of restriction endonucleases used in gene cloning is fungi, bacteria, plant or viruses. Restriction endonucleases are made or purified from bacteria. MCQs number 6. Ballistic gene gun is suitable for disarming pathogen vector, transformation of plant cells, constructing recombinant DNA by joining with vector, DNA fingerprinting. The correct option is option B. Transformation of a plant cell. MCQs number 7. In genetic engineering, antibiotics are used as a selectable marker to select healthy vector as sequences from where replication start to keep the culture free of infection. The correct option is option A. Antibiotics are used as a selectable markers. MCQs number 8. In genetic engineering experiment, restriction enzymes can be used for bacterial DNA only, viral DNA only, any DNA fragment, eukaryotic DNA only. The correct option is option C. Any DNA fragment. MCQs number 9. Which of the following is used to select gene of interest from a genomic library? Restriction enzymes, cloning vector, gene target, DNA probes. The correct option is option D. DNA probe. MCQs number 10. The enzymes which are absolutely necessary for recombinant DNA technologies are restriction endonucleases and top isomerase, endonucleases and polymerase, restriction endonuclease and ligase, peptide and ligase. The correct option is option C. Restriction endonucleases plus ligase. MCQs number 11. Which of the following is a plasmid? PBR, BMH1, SL1, EcoR1. The correct option is option A. PBR322 is a plasmid. MCQs number 12. Which of the following are used in gene cloning? Lisosomes, mesosomes, plasmid, nucleoids. The correct option is option C. Plasmid is used in gene cloning. MCQs number 13. The technique used for separating molecules by passing electric current is called fractionation, centrifugation, electrophoresis, or ELISA? The correct option is option C, electrophoresis. MCQ number 14. Lysosome that is present in perspiration, saliva, tears get destroyed in fraction, centrifugation, electrophoresis, or ELISA. The correct option is option B, centrifugation. MCQ number 15. The linking of antibiotic resistant gene with the plasmid vector is possible because of DNA polymerase, exonuclease, DNA ligase, or endonuclease. The correct option is option C, DNA ligase. MCQ number 16. Which one among the following is just the cloning plasmid, not an expression plasmid? PBAD18 CAM, PBCSK, PUC18, or PET? The correct option is option C, PUC18. Bacteria protect themselves from universe by fragment viral DNA upon entry with exonuclease, gyrase, endonuclease, or ligase. The correct option is option C, endonuclease. MCQ number 18. The construction of first recombinant DNA was done by using the native plasmid of E. coli, Salmonella typhimurium, B. Thuringiensis, D. Agrobacterium. The correct option is option B. MCQ number 19. Restriction endonucleases is a cut the DNA molecules at a specific site, restrict the synthesis of DNA inside the nucleus, restrict the synthesis of DNA outside the molecule, synthesize the DNA. The correct option is option A, cut the DNA molecules at a specific sites. Molecular scissor is a peptide urease restriction endonuclease or helicase. The correct option is option C. Restriction endonuclease is also called molecular scissor. 21. Polymerase chain reaction technology is used for DNA identification, DNA amplification, DNA repair, cleaving DNA. The correct option is option B, DNA amplification. 22. Biotechnology involves the application of biological organism system process all of above. The correct option is option D, all of the above. MCQ number 23. Fermentation product like South Indian foods are the result of old biotechnology, new biotechnology, recombinant DNA, genetic engineering. The correct option is option A, old biotechnology. MCQ number 22. Desired character can be introduced into an organism using sexual reproduction, plant breeding method, recombinant DNA technology, or macroprojection. The correct option is option C, recombinant DNA technology. MCQ number 25. The bands obtained by gel electrophoresis during DNA separation are stained with methyl blue, potassium chloride, ethidium bromide, or chlorhydrate. The correct option is option C, ethidium bromide is used in gel electrophoresis. MCQ number 26. The enzyme used to remove the phosphate group from 5' hydroxyl group is restriction endonucleases, DNA ligase, DNA polymerase, or alkaline phosphate. The correct option is option D, alkaline phosphate is used to remove the phosphate group. MCQ number 27. Which of the following can be used as a selectable marker? Z, gene of lac operon, gene of agrobacterium, or I sequence none of these. The correct option is option A, Z, gene of lac operon. 28. The letters BPR and BPR32 stand for plasmid bacteria, plasmid bacteriophage, plasmid bolivar, and Rodriguez, or none of these. The correct option is option C, plasmid bolivar and Rodriguez. MCQ number 29. BAC back vector is preferred because it contains F factor, selectable markers, cloning sites, all of these. The correct option is option D, all of these. MCQ number 30. Yeast are very suitable as hot cells because these are simplest eukaryotic organism. Unicellular prokaryotes can reproduce sexually. None of these. The correct option is option A, simplest eukaryotic organism. MCQ number 31. Bacterial cell wall is effectively removed by cellulose, liposomes, lysosomes, or pectinase. The correct option is option C, lysosome is used to remove the bacterial cell wall. MCQ number 32. E. coli cells are made of competent to observe the external DNA by giving the high temperature, suspending them in cold calcium chloride, treating the cells with sodium chloride, growing them in a culture. The correct option is option B, suspending them in cold calcium chloride. 33. A process where calcium ion help in DNA transfer is known as transduction, transfection, transformation, or transition. The correct option is option B, transfection. The fact that cloned DNA fragment disturb the coding sequence of gene is known as stimulation, inhibition, insertional inactivation, non-recombinant. The correct option is option C, insertional inactivation. MCQ number 35. The inserted gene generally express themselves as enzymes, proteins, inorganic compound, carbohydrates. The correct option is option B, proteins. MCQ number 36. Restriction enzymes are used in genetic engineering because they can cut DNA at specific base sequence, or proteolytic enzymes which can degrade harmful proteins. C. Or nuclease that cut DNA at variable sites can join different DNA fragments. The correct option is option A, they cut DNA at a specific sites. 37. In genetic engineering, an enzyme used is topoisomerase, ligase, restriction endonuclease, or replicase. The correct option is option C, restriction endonuclease. 38. Which of the following is not the cloning vector? Agrobacterium, yeast, Neurospora, or bacteriophage. The correct option is option C, Neurospora is not a cloning vector. 39. DNA can be separated by jet electrophoresis, autoradiography, X-rays, crystallography, or centrifugation. The correct option is option A, DNA can be separated through gel electrophoresis. 40. Restriction endonucleases are utilized in genetic engineering for molecular degradation to DNA breakdown, molecular buildup, nucleotide, molecular scaffolds for cutting DNA specific site, or molecular cement for combining DNA pieces into long chain. The correct option is option C, molecular scaffolds for DNA cutting or specific sites. MCQ number 41. Plasmid are used in genetic engineering because they are easily available, can replicate, can integrate with host chromosomes, or inert. The correct option is option C, can integrate with host chromosomes. 42. Which of the following is a commonly used bacterium in plant genetic engineering? Salmonella typhi, Bacillus subtilis, Corynebacterium, or Agrobacterium. The correct option is option D, Agrobacterium. 43. One of the following bacterium is good vector in genetic engineering: Bacillum thuringiensis, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Salmonella typhi. None of These the correct option is option B. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Which of the following enzyme is used to join the bits of DNA? Ligase, primase, DNA polymerase, or endonuclease? The correct option is option A. Ligase.